Okay, so now we're going to look at ratio. And the first thing we'll look at is simplifying ratio. So ratio then is written like so. Okay, simplifying ratio, much similar to simplifying fractions. We need to find the common denominator that goes into both numbers. So here, both 18 and 6 can be divided by 6. So here I'm going to divide them both by 6 then. So how many 6s go into 18? Well, that is 3. How many 6s go into 6? That is 1. So 18 to the ratio of 6 simplified gives me a simplified ratio of 3 to 1. If I look at another example then, I've got 48 to the ratio of 72. Now I'm not exactly certain what goes into both 48 and into 72, but I do know that 12 goes into both for an example. So first off then I'm going to divide both by 12, and in this case then 12's into 48, 12, 24, 36, 48, so that gives me 4. Counting on from there then, I then got 60 and 72, so that gives me 6. 4 to 6 then is my new ratio. Again, this can be cancelled down because I know that 2 goes into 4 and 2 goes into 6. So I'm going to divide both this time by 2. So 2's into 4 go twice, and 2's into 6 go 3 times. So 48 to the ratio of 72 simplified is 2 to 3. And it doesn't matter how many steps it takes me to get to that simplified version. Okay, I could have divided this by 2, 2 again, 2 again, and 2 again if you're not too certain of your times tables. It just means it'll take longer to get to the answer. Okay, looking at this question here then. Okay, again, another good exam style question. Ben and Jerry share the £120 into the ratio of 3 to 5. How are we going to work out who gets what? Okay, so here we're going to work this out then. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our ratios together. So we're going to add the ratios. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. The next thing we're going to do then is we're going to divide my 8 into my total. So I've got £120 divided by the total number of ratios, which is 8. So that equals 15. This 15 then is what one ratio is worth. Okay, and that is always your starting point when you're working with ratio in this style of question. Try and find what one ratio is worth. Once you've found one ratio, you can then do anything you like with the rest of the question to find answers. Now all I'm going to do then is multiply. Okay, and I'm going to do my 3 ratios multiplied by 15 and my 5 ratios multiplied by 15. So I've got 3 times by 15. So that's 3 times 10 is 30, so that's 45. And then I've got 5 times 15. So that's 5 times 5. 5 times that is 50. 5 times that is 25. So that equals 75. Quick check, if I add those up together, yeah, those also equal 120, which is my starting amount of money that I had to share out in the beginning. Okay, add, divide and multiply. You can remember it, yeah, by the mnemonic ADAM, add, divide and multiply. Okay. Here then we've got another ratio question. This time we're splitting up a straight line. So A, B, C. So let's write in our letters then. So we'll go A, B and C is a straight line. BC then is 3 times the length of AB, and AC in total is 80 meters long. So what do I already know then? So I know then that BC is 3 times as far as AB B. So AB then is 1 ratio. Okay, so BC, that part there, is 3 times as far as that point there. And I know then that the total of AC is 80 metres in total. If I add these together then, I've got 4 parts, or 4 ratios. I know then that the whole of that length is 80. So now my next sum then is 80 metres divided by 4 equals 20. So once again, that 20 then is 1 ratio. I want to know the length of BC. So BC is this part here. I know that that is 3 times. So therefore, 3 times by 20 equals 60 metres. So BC then is 60 metres. Another example of ratio is Gordon and Fred share money in the ratio of 5 to 3. Gordon gets 70 more pounds than Fred. How much does Fred get? Okay, so first thing to work out then is Gordon, he gets 5 ratios. Fred, he gets 3 ratios. I know then that these 5 ratios are 70 pounds more than Fred's 3 ratios. So here then is where I start. So the difference equals 2 ratios. So those 2 ratios of Gordon's are equal to 70 pounds. So therefore 1 ratio equals 70 divided by 2, which is 35 pounds. So once again I have found 1 ratio. I can now use that 1 ratio to work out what Fred gets. Fred gets 3 times 35. So therefore Fred equals 3 times by 35, which equals 105 pounds. So Fred gets 105 pounds. That then is 3 different types of ratio question. Yep, very common on a GCSE exam paper nowadays and on functional skills.